Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Abdul Majid Binani once again, and I am here with new lecture today, namely alkyl radical. So before starting my lecture today, I have just piece of advice for all of you that successful people are not those who do not make mistakes, but they analyze their mistakes. Analyze your mistakes, correct them, pick yourself up, and start your struggle again. That is the main key of becoming a successful people. Anyways, we are moving towards our topic today, alkyl radical. What is the alkyl radical? Alkyl radical is basically an atom or group of an atom in which one hydrogen is deficient from corresponding alkanes is called alkyl radical. In my previous topic, in my previous lecture, I taught about classification of hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons was classified in two main classes, as cyclic hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons. So in which we talked about alkane also. So what are the alkanes? Alkane are those organic compound in which single bond is present between two bonded atoms. Carbon atoms is called alkanes, in which the general formula for alkane was CnH2n plus 2. So here we are talking about alkyl radical. So alkyl radical is that species in which one hydrogen is deficient from corresponding alkane is called alkyl radical. So let me write down the definition of alkyl radical. Alkyl radical. An atom or group of an atom in which one hydrogen is deficient. Deficient means less than corresponding alkanes is called alkyl radical. So I already mentioned that alkyl radical is basically that species having one hydrogen deficient from corresponding alkanes. Like this way. What is the general formula for methane? CH4. If we eliminate one hydrogen from methane, we get CH3. Like one hydrogen is eliminated from methane, we get methyl radical. So this is the methane, while and this is the methyl radical. So this way, the suffix of alkane was ane. Ane was the suffix of alkane, while yl the suffix of alkyl radical. Suffix of alkyl radical is YL, and general formula for alkyl radical is CnH2n plus 1. So basically alkyl radical is classified into main two systems. Number first, common system and IUPAC system. So let me make it very clear first of all. alkyl radical having two systems, common system and opaque system. So we will deal with them individually. So first we are dealing with common system. So what do you mean by common system? Before knowing the common system, here we are going towards alpha carbon. What is the alpha carbon? Alpha carbon is that carbon, the carbon which is directly attached to functional group, is called alpha carbon. Here we go, CH3, CH2 and OH. OH is the functional group for alcohol, and this functional group is directly attached with this carbon. So this carbon is known as functional group, alpha carbon. When this carbon is directly attached with this functional group is called alpha carbon. So basically alpha carbon is that carbon which is directly attached with functional group is called alpha carbon. So now we will deal with what do you mean by primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. Primary carbon, when alpha carbon is directly attached to one or no more carbon, atom is called primary. What? Primary carbon, like this, CH3OH. So this functional group is directly attached, or this carbon is directly attached with the functional group. So this is called as primary carbon. So primary carbon is that carbon in which alpha carbon is directly attached with functional group, or alpha carbon is directly bonded with functional group bonded with one or no more carbon is called primary carbon. So CH3, CH2 and OH, is this primary carbon? Of course, this is the primary carbon also, because this alpha carbon is bonded with this functional group, and this alpha carbon is directly bonded with this carbon atom. One atom or no more atom is called primary carbon. So what do you mean by this one? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. So is this primary compound? Yes, of course it is also, because this alpha carbon is directly attached with another carbon. So this is why it is called as primary carbon. And then secondary carbon, when alpha carbon is directly attached to two more carbon atoms. Two more carbon atoms is called secondary carbon. Like this, you know, CH3, CH, CH3 and OH. So first of all, you have to keep in your mind that this is the alpha carbon. Why this is alpha carbon? Because this is directly bonded with functional group, and then this alpha carbon is bonded with two more carbons, so this is called a secondary carbon. What? Secondary carbon. And the last one is tertiary carbon. When alpha carbon is directly attached to three carbon atoms, is called tertiary carbon. Like this, CH3, CH, OH, CH3, no sorry, and this one is CH3. So this is the alpha carbon which is directly attached with functional group, and then this alpha carbon is bonded with three more carbons, number first, 2 and 3. So this one is called as tertiary carbon. So this was the simple introduction of alkyl radical in common systems. Inshallah, we are moving towards IUPAC system in next lecture. So if you have any kind of query regarding this topic or any other topic, you may ask me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Penal Online System. Thank you very much.